In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to generate stunning images of futuristic cityscapes. We'll go through the process step by step, so even if you've never used ChatGPT before, you'll be able to follow along and create your own unique visuals. Let's dive in. First, you need to open ChatGPT. To do this, head over to chat.openai.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access the platform. If you're new to ChatGPT, you can easily create an account to get started. Once you're logged in, start a new chat session. This will be your workspace for generating and refining your images. Now that you're set up, ask ChatGPT to create an image for you. For example, you might request, generate a high-quality image of a futuristic city at sunset with neon lights and flying cars. This request tells ChatGPT to build an image with these specific elements, creating a vivid, imaginative scene that captures the essence of a futuristic city. It's important to be descriptive here, as the more detail you provide, the better ChatGPT can tailor the image to your vision. Once you've received your initial image, the next step is to refine its style. If you're looking for something specific, such as a cyberpunk aesthetic, then you might say, make the same image but in a cyberpunk art style with more detail and vibrant colors. This request tells ChatGPT to enhance the image, focusing on distinctive characteristics of the cyberpunk style, like its rich hues and intricate details. Adjusting the style in this way can add depth and personality to You might be keen to see other interpretations. This is where you'll create variations. You can request, give me 3 different versions of this futuristic city image with unique perspectives. This prompts ChatGPT to use your original concept as a base and explore different angles and compositions, giving you a set of diverse images. It's a fantastic way to see your concept come to life in multiple forms, each with its own unique flair. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can leverage ChatGPT to transform your ideas into eye-catching visuals of futuristic cityscapes. Feel free to experiment with different styles and descriptions to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Happy creating!